This is the new Sony Android TV from 2024 and we want to go into the service menu with it. And how that works, we'll show you today. Every manufacturer has a service menu. Here you can unlock different functions or read different information. And how you get into this, we'll show you today. And today the Sony TV is from the year 2024. First of all, no value changes here, otherwise it may be that your TV no longer works properly. And we do not take any liability should your TV no longer start or you have changed a value here. And this TV no longer works as it did before. So just look at it, don't change a value. Why are we showing you this? So that you know that there is also something like this and how to get in here. And how do you get into this service menu? That's very simple. On your remote control, press the I button. In my case, that's the I next to the question mark button. Then the button 5, then volume down and the on button. That's the green button. So the standby button. Of course, we have to turn off the TV first and now we press it on the remote control. So I button, 5 button, volume down, on button. And when you have done it, the following message appears here. Starting self-diagnostic mode and then you get this screen here. And here there are now different functions. Backflight, temperature, which tuner is available here and much, much more. We don't want to change anything here, as I said, because it may be that the TV no longer works properly. And that's why we get out of here. So you have seen how the whole thing works. It's very, very easy. By the way, how do you get out with the home button or the back button? It works very easily. As I said, I button, button 5, volume down and the standby button and you start this mode. Do you have any questions? Then use the comment function. We say thank you for watching and goodbye.